Today we're going for a test drive in a 1968 Camaro. This one does have a Supercharged 350 under it. This should be a great test drive. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. Look at the nitrous lines on this thing. Golly. You can see detailed photos of this ride at maplemotors.com. Definitely check that out. I can actually get you financed on something like this, and I have shipping, or I can deliver it anywhere in the country. Please hit that share button. Also hit like. Anything that I see that's wrong with this one, I'll be pointing it out. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, so before we take off, we're gonna check everything out on the interior. This thing has a pretty nice roll bar in the back. They tubbed it out. Everything's nice, carpeted. Headliner's actually in great shape. The seats are in great shape. We'll be doing a walk around video, checking everything else out with undercarriage shots. Got switches on the dash, tack. I can show you the mileage, but you know that doesn't, you can't stand behind that. This is a 68 model. You can place your bets you think the horn works on this. And the door buzzer works, you hear it? So we got some gauges under the dash. Some much needed harnesses. We'll start her up here. We're gonna let the motor warm up. Engine temperature's down right now, oil pressure's up. I don't know if the blower vacuum's working. We'll try the radio. Don't really need a radio in this thing. There's a power button. It did cut on. I can't hear nothing though. I've got her all the way up, I believe. I'm having to feather the gas to keep her running. If I hold it at one spot, it wants to idle down and cut off. If I let off the gas, it will cut off. Try the wipers. Wiper switch does not work on this one. Horn? Nope, no horn. Lower motors? Doubt it. Yeah, they're not working. All right. Yeah, I'm having to feather the gas, so we're gonna have to 2-footer the whole time. I'd say this is set up for racing. It's exactly what it feels like. Let's see how she drives. All right, so I'm gonna get this seat belt on here. I think. There we go. Definitely have to feather the gas, keep her running. So some of y'all talk about me 2-footing the gas and the brake. This is a prime example why. Engine temperature's up. Sounds pretty good. Let's see what she's got. I'm gonna put her in first gear. We'll check that out. The brakes are kind of squishy on this one. Into neutral. I think that's all we got right there. She's definitely fast. Barely giving it gas and we're already running like 50. Let's try these brakes. They're actually pretty good. They're stopping fast. The pedal's just squishy. Not coming up on this one. And right turn signal's blinking on the dash, but the left is not. gonna do a walk around video of this one, point out any kind of flaws. We'll check the lights and stuff. Sounds like we got an exhaust leak up there, you hear it? Definitely an exhaust leak, sucking air. All right, let's get these shots. Seems to be idling out pretty good now. The more we drive it, the better this car is getting. I think it's just been sitting a little while. We do need to get moving though. The engine temperature is working its way up because listen how high the idle is. Electric fans are working. I did have to mess with the little relay thing in there. I'm gonna check, make sure that stays on all the time. Other than that, let's head on back to the lot and get some wind blowing through her. It's already taken me another couple minutes just to get everything situated. Now, engine temperature hasn't moved. Electric fan's doing its job. I'd say that's like 210. I mean, that's okay. You don't want it much more than that. But definitely, let's get some wind behind her now. I'm not touching the gas, and we're in reverse. She doesn't need me to feather her anymore at all. It's getting a lot better the more I drive it. I should have probably drove it first, but hey, I tell you what, This is an honest video, guys. This is the first time I've driven this car. We're working the kinks out as we go, so. Had a little relay switch problem, and we got it fixed. And now I don't have to feather the gas. I'm still gonna 2-foot it, but I'm not into the throttle at all right now. Thinking it's reverse manual valve body now. It is. It's gonna be a 2-speed. I had it in where second would be and shifted back just now, and it went up and gave me some more gear. So we was taking off in second. It still had all that power. Temperature is down to 200 now. It's still moving down. She just wanted some wind, some fresh air. All right, let's put her back in first here. What I thought. Reverse manual here. She hooks up good. And now, of course, that wasn't me flooring it. I'm not gonna try to get arrested out here today. You know, they'll be all over me about that. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed this test drive. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this test drive. If you did, check out maplemotors.com. I have close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. We just added a section to the website with frequently asked questions. Definitely worth a look. And if you want to give us a call, 615-822-4444. We'll be able to help you out. Learned something else when we got back. The pan looks like a 3-speed on the bottom. I'm wondering if the shifter is out of adjustment. If so, this thing's got a lot of gear for top end. I could only get it to go into 2, and then I run out of room on the shifter here. But do keep that in mind, and I'll show you what I mean here. See how the shifter is kind of sitting forward? There's this much gap in the front. I feel like this whole thing needs to be scooted back, which is bolted down right now. And that would be second. And from what it looks like underneath, it's got the notch in the pan for the transmission to be a 3-speed. But if so, this thing's got a lot more power to go. Very cool ride. I did enjoy it, and I did notice by the end of the video, it was running great. I didn't have to 2-foot it anymore. I talked to them when I got back, kind of told them what I found out, and they said the car actually sat for 5 years, so that explains a lot when it comes down to why it just started running better. It was clearing itself out. It needed some miles. But we're here to be as honest as we can, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Definitely check out the walk around. I walk around the car, you know, check everything out. And we have a lot of videos here on YouTube for you to check out. So hit that share button, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.